Assalamu alaikum. How are you? We have new lesson today. Its lesson is sakhira. Sakhira. Okay. First letter is seen. Okay. This one seen. And top of the scene, this sign name is fatah. Okay. We will read it. Seen fatah sa. 10 times repeat it with me. Seen fatah sa. Look also on lesson and read. Seen fatah sa. Seen fatah sa. Seen fatah sa. Seen fatah sa. Next, we have next letter. Kha. It's kha. Okay. Kha. And bottom of the kha, this kasra. We will read it. Kha kasra khi. 10 times repeat it also with me. Kha kasra khi. Kha kasra khi. Kha kasra khi. Kha kasra khi. Okay. Next lesson. Next letter we have is ra. It's ra. What is this? This ra. And top of the ra, fatah sign. We will read it. Ra fatah ra. 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 We will starting again from the first letter. Sin fatah sa. Kha kasra khi. Sa khi. Ra fatah ra. Sa khi ra. Sa khi ra. Sa khi ra. Sin fatah sa. Kha kasra khi. Sa khi. Ra fatah ra. Sa khi ra. When you will carefully, when you will give your 10 minutes in this video, then inshallah you will expert after that. Thank you, take care, and give 10 minutes please.